Hey guys, we are buying Nifty at the market and this is the stop and target we might be having around the gap. So I'll be updating you as we go along on this one. So I'll see you soon. Hey guys, this is the next update in the trade. As you can see, we are moving in the direction, but this is the repositional stop and this is the final target on this one. We will be taking out full of the quantity over there. So I'll be updating you as we go along. Let's see what happens on this one. Keep in mind this is a risky trade. So those who are not into it, wait for your confirmation, then hop onto the trade. I'll be sending you the message if I see one more confirmation on this trade. Hey guys, this is the next update in the trade. As you can see, we are moving in the direction. I kind of did the analysis and maybe it's going more higher than here. So what I'll suggest you guys, for those who have the risk taking capacity, for those who can bear it, can take two target. All right. But I'll tell what I'll do. I will be booking full of the profits since it's a already my intraday target kind of thing. You guys can continue with two targets. That's totally up to you. So I'll see you once I get the target or I'll see any update in the trade. Guys, we are having a little bit of structure change in the market. So what we are gonna do, we are gonna pay attention over this position here. So any moment we are breaking this trend to the downside, we have to book the profits over there. Now regardless the matter, we would be still having more than 1:2. So that's not a problem with us that time. So we would be coming out of the trade either below this position or maybe hitting our targets over there. So I'll be updating you as we go along. Let's see what happens on this one. Guys, the structure change is confirmed. We are coming out of the trade, booking full of the profits. It's 1:2. So that happens in the market very often. We have to deal with that. So another good trade. It's not a bad trade, but 50 point is not a bad deal at all. So I'll see you again once I find any good trade.